How do you make a weight loss plan? Hi, I'm Dr. Kaplan for Helios Telemedicine for Men, an online clinic treating unhealthy weight in Texas, New York, Missouri, and Florida, regardless of gender, and sex hormone issues in men. Losing weight requires recognition of a need, commitment to a plan, and support. A good weight loss plan must be able to stand the test of time as changes in lifelong unhealthy habits are difficult to break and require constant vigilance for new healthy ones to establish themselves and permanently supersede the old. It's not easy or fast, but your health and quality of life, well-being, and even wealth are on the line. Today's diagram lists various checkboxes for a good weight loss plan. Even after removing the duplicates, there are still a lot of steps, a lot of habits to change, and it can seem daunting. A good support structure is essential. Family, friends, coworkers, and clinicians can all play a part. Your physicians can help you overcome hurdles that have been impossible so far, whether they are psychological or medical, and I would love to help. If you live in Texas, New York, Missouri, or Florida and need help with a weight loss plan, make an appointment with me on our website at www.heliostelemedicine.com. The first visit is only $49. There are videos, blog posts, and frequently asked questions as well and open to everyone. More videos live at www.youtube.com/@HeliosTelemedicine. Thanks for your time and attention. Bye for now.